me, Janet. Welcome to Chikamal Shake. And today I'm here in my room because it's raining. It's raining. I love rain. It's barely raining in here. I mean, I'll show my window to you. My corner window. It's barely wet. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's barely wet. And I've actually opened my window, and it is barely raining.
And you can go live on Instagram as well.
Yeah. It's so awesome.
Oh my god! It's raining so hard!
Oh my gosh, it's not harsh. I'm like so excited. I'm terribly excited.
Did you show him outside?
Oh yeah, I'll show you right now. It's like awesome.
Can you hear the sound?
Here's the sound. That's the rain. I am so excited to go outside. Tell your favorite weather in the comments below. So basically mine is rainy days. So tell your favorites weather in the comments below. What's your favorite?
Of course, rainy day.
Rainy days.
Stop it.
And Ali's barely like throwing his cars outside. So bye. I'm so excited.